Are you tired of dealing with temperature fluctuations in different rooms of your home? Whether it's your child's bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen, the temperature can vary drastically from room to room. That's where this Google Nest temperature sensor comes into play. This simple yet powerful smart home device works with compatible Nest thermostats to ensure that your home remains at the perfect temperature all day long. Let's explore how this product can upgrade your home's comfort and why it's a must-have addition to your smart home setup. Click the link below to grab your Google Nest temperature sensor today and start controlling your home's temperature with ease. Why choose the Google Nest temperature sensor? The Nest temperature sensor is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their home's heating and cooling system. This device is designed to work seamlessly with Google Nest Learning Thermostats, 3rd Gen, and Nest Thermostat E, providing you with a level of control over your home's climate that you won't find with most traditional thermostats. Here's why the Nest temperature sensor is an essential upgrade for your smart home. Number 1. Precision temperature control for every room. One of the key benefits of the Nest temperature sensor is its ability to monitor the temperature in different rooms of your home. Whether it's the baby's room, living room, or any other area, you can place the sensor in any room and ensure it's always at the temperature you desire. The sensor sends temperature readings to your compatible Nest thermostat, which then adjusts your system to maintain that ideal temperature. Monitor specific rooms. Place the sensor in multiple rooms to customize your home's temperature settings. Room-specific control. Ensure that no matter which room you're in, the temperature is always just right. Increased comfort. Stay comfortable in every room, whether you're relaxing in the living room or cooking in the kitchen. Number 2. Easy installation and flexibility in placement. Unlike many other smart home devices that require complicated installations, the Google Nest temperature sensor is designed with user-friendliness in mind. You can easily install the sensor yourself by hanging it on the wall or simply placing it on a shelf. No need for professional help, and it works in most homes thanks to its wireless Bluetooth low-energy connection. Simple installation. No drilling, wiring, or professional assistance needed. Flexible placement options. Mount it on the wall, or place it on any flat surface. Portable. If you want to move the sensor from room to room, it's as easy as picking it up and placing it elsewhere. Number 3. Long-lasting battery life. One of the most impressive features of the Nest temperature sensor is its long-lasting battery life. The sensor runs on a CR23 lithium battery included, which can last up to 2 years. You won't need to constantly replace the battery, and the sensor ensures uninterrupted temperature readings for a long time. Up to 2 years of battery life. Forget about frequent battery replacements. Cost-effective. Save money by not needing to replace batteries all the time. Reliable performance. Enjoy consistent and dependable temperature control throughout the year. Number 4. Wireless connectivity for hassle-free setup. The Nest temperature sensor uses Bluetooth Low Energy for its wireless connection, making it easy to set up and pair with your Nest thermostat. You won't have to worry about messy wires or complicated configurations. The sensor's Bluetooth connectivity ensures a smooth and seamless installation process, even if you're new to smart home devices. No messy wires. Wireless connectivity eliminates the need for any cumbersome cords or cables. Number 5. Control your temperature remotely with the Nest app. With the Nest app, you can control and adjust the temperature settings of your Nest temperature sensor from anywhere. Whether you're at work or relaxing on the couch, you can prioritize the temperature in specific rooms and set schedules to fit your routine. The app allows you to make changes with ease, offering complete control over your home's climate. Number 6. Compatible with multiple Nest sensors. For those who want more control over their home's temperature, the Nest temperature sensor allows you to add up to 6 sensors for each compatible Nest thermostat. This means you can have temperature sensors in multiple rooms and customize the climate in each area, all controlled through the Nest app. Number 7. Simple design blends with any home decor. The Nest temperature sensor has a sleek, minimalist design that blends seamlessly into any room, whether you have modern or traditional decor. Its clean white exterior makes it an unobtrusive addition to your home, ensuring it won't distract from the aesthetic of your living space. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.